Hey yo, what's up everybody? This is your guy Tanna from Tanna So Lit. Man, I'm about to do a quick but very powerful tutorial. I'm about to show you guys how to change the background to your call screen so when somebody calls you, you have your own custom feng shui. So enough me yapping. Hey yo, it's time to make it happen. Let's go. Okay, the first thing that you want to do is pull down your notification shade, hit the settings wheel right there. Then right here, where you see the magnifying glass, tap on that and type in call background. Oops, separate the words. You see right there, click on that. Then after the highlights, click on that. Okay. Now you're in the call background menu, and at the top it says select a picture or video to show when you make or receive calls. See right now it's set to the same old stock Samsung, you dig? But at the bottom you see two options. One, you can change the layout. Let's click on that and see what's up with that. You can either have your calls look like that with the big font and everything, with the circle which represents the picture, or you can have the picture to the side right there with smaller font. Me, I like the big stuff, so I'm gonna leave it there on big. Go back to layout. Then right where it says background, this is where the magic happens. All you gotta do is click on that plus right there. And under add call background, select from these two options, which is select from the gallery or create using AR emoji, which is dope as well.
For shizzle.
So whatever you choose, I already chose my picture right there. You select it. Bam. Then at the bottom it says set as call background. Click on that and you're set.
Yeah!
Let's give this boy a try.
Yeah, boy!
All right, everybody, here's the test. I'm about to call from my iPhone to my Samsung right now. Here we go. Bam. It's just that simple.
Wow, bro. That's crazy. That's so love, bro.
He ain't lying.
As you can see, it's just that simple. And it works the same way if you select a video of your choice. Well, all right, everybody, that just about does it for this one. So if you like what you saw and like what you heard, please give your guy and Samsung a thumbs up because that's official. Yes, sir, yes, sir. But if you have not yet subscribed to my channel to feel the whole madness and swag of Dan Tanna and Team Lit, then people do that too because that's official too. All right, everybody, get money, get respect, and enjoy your tech. Be easy.